how do you convert somebody that comes in and goes, hey, I'm here to write you a check for $2,500, and now they're writing you a check for $150?
It's all about asking the right questions.
Okay, what is so, give me a scenario. Like, what does this look like? Like, walk me through this.
Usually, when I go out, to look at an irrigation install, we ask, what are your needs for this, irrigation? What are your future plans? Are you going to build a back paver patio? So do we not want to put, irrigation here? Are you going to want to build, a water feature? Are you going to want to incorporate, palm trees? Are you going to change your, circular driveway? So it's all about asking the right questions. And then, I always just tell them, well, if you're going to build that outdoor kitchen and the paver patio, why don't I just give you a price on it now? And, and we take that irrigation install, we put it onto our CAD and our 3D design program, and that just does all the work for us. Giving the client a realistic expectation of what everything is going to look like is a tremendous selling value.